What's up, zztvers?
Today's video is the kukuk.
It's fully hatched na.
Yeah.
We will show you the new baby pigeons. It's fully hatched na.
Yeah.
We forgot to get the food.
Yeah, because we feed the baby chick.
Yeah, and it rained and there's a lot of mud.
Yeah, it look like cement.
Yeah. So we get the food first.
But I just hear a poop.
Who poop?
I think it's super for there.
You get the food. Who cooks food? What do you have on your face? You eat the donut? Get some food. Not too many, just enough.
Like this?
Yeah.
Wow, because we have 3 kukuk.
Because we have babies there. Oh, ito pa.
Why that too?
That's for the baby.
Let's sit up. The hands only?
Yeah.
Why tell me?
Let's sit up.
Why tell me? We have a spoon. Last time you are using it.
Wala yung spoon eh. Go!
So, the baby kukuk was big and then he was smaller and then bigger and then bigger and then larger.
Remember on the last video,
Yeah.
it's still an egg. I think
Yeah.
it's hatched na eh. So let's go. Go on the top.
Okay.
Come on.
One eternity later.
What? It's not there?
Where's the kukuk? It's not there.
Oh yeah.
It's outside.
He went outside on herself.
Oh, he just fly there.
Oh yeah.
Oh no!
Oh, he just fly there. And he...
Got broken.
We never saw he went there before.
Is he here wet?
Wait, get him. Feel him. Wet? He's wet?
No.
He's wet? Just
Can
don't
pet
put
him.
back.
Get ka ng food. See if he will eat.
Oh my! What is this, bagong?
No. It's a medicine. Give me him. That's not for the baby. Oh, try to feed him. Get some on your palm. Yeah, that's too many. Just a little. Oh, he's flying na. Buti hindi umalis to. He's eating on your hand. Grab him.
I want to let him eat first in my hand.
On your hand.
Look at that. The things. Not even hurting. Oh, he put it in his mouth. It's not even dropping.
Yeah.
Like the papa. But I feel him.
Oh, get ka pa ng other food. Feed him pa. He's shaking oh.
I think he got wet. Oh, I think he's like there.
Oh, yan na. He's still hungry pa.
What is called the mean? He's hungry. He drops.
Drop some.
Yeah, just drop one. He dropped mine. He dropped. Ah, he's biting my head.
You want more? He's shaking strong.
Like this.
Oh, see it if he will eat it.
Ah, he's hitting my hand again. I touched it back. Why is he eating my hand? Like, he don't. I think he's still shaking.
Yeah.
Like this. Okay.
Maybe we can train him free flight. Like you can let him fly and then go back onto your hand.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! No!
Oh, napapagat out.
Like he went behind my head like
Yeah.
the last time. Eat. Oh!
Catch him.
No, where am I catching?
Grab him. Don't. You're scaring him too much na.
At least slowly.
Just grab him like this. Oh. Not on the feather, on the body. I'll just help you.
Oh, he's moving his head. Look, he's moving his head.
Let him go. That will show the ano na, newly hatched.
I'm scared. He shake my. Like just fall, fall, fall.
I'll stop the video. I'll fix the house muna.
A few moments later.
I just got his tail, Papa.
Just
I
grab
just
his
got
tail.
his tail, yeah.
Hold this. I'll show the ano na, pigeons.
Big Joe, you or the baby cuckoo?
The new hatch. Mama, go down.
The baby gets
the
this
nest.
nest. Oh, I see them.
You see them?
Look when I touch them.
Whoa. I think that's a day old. Oh no, be careful.
Ew, it's so cold. It's cold, Papa.
No, he's hot.
And this one is hot. Why baby cuckoos need to be hot? Wait, which one is the baby cuckoo? Which one is the baby cuckoo? They look like the same
That one.
baby cuckoo. They look like the same baby cuckoo.
Because he's grown na. See?
But they're not even opening their eyes.
Not yet. It's ano pa,
Wait, touch their
1 day
beak.
old.
I touched their beak. Wait, let me get the baby cuckoo there now. Let me get the baby cuckoo now.
Get him again?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think on his body. Oh, this is his feather. Wait, this is his feather.
Yeah.
What?
Or the moms.
I think that's the mom.
I think the mom's looking for the babies now.
Yeah.
I'll put it back.
I'll piece the feather
Grab this.
later.
I'll stop the video muna.
Just
On the video, which is the baby? The one on the porch or the one eating? The body markings looks the same. See, they got stripes here and stripes here.
yeah, they look like the same. You see?
Yeah, like Papa, like son.
Yeah, like everybody.
It's a common color.
Wait, this is the big baby cuckoo or the small baby cuckoo like that? Or you said small? I said small boys, Papa.
Small boys.
Yeah. Anybody will say this is the big baby cuckoo. This is the cuckoo is big or is the small baby cuckoo like that?
I remember you give a name na to the baby kukuk. What's his name again?
Flyer!
Flyer. Yeah. You call him Flyer na, not Kukuk anymore.
Oh, I saw that. I'm scaring those two birds.
I'll close their house na.
Yeah.
Oh, grab the ano.
Wow!
What?
What is that on the electric?
Electric post. A bird.
Yeah. What?
A bird.
Oh, he's flying back. Oh my, wow. Oh my, it almost started to rain.
Yeah, so we need to say goodbye now onto our video.
Goodbye. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe. Say that.
Don't forget to subscribe for our videos. Thanks for watching.
Okay.